grade 6 civic education, our last lesson, qualities that should be inculcated as a good citizen. Our third lesson, qualities that should be inculcated as a good citizen. Our main topic, qualities that should be inculcated as a good citizen. Last week we discussed about what is discipline, will behavior. We discussed about them. Today we are going to discuss about the discipline behavior in the family, in the society, on the road, in the school. We should have discipline behavior. Samvarashili Hasirim in the family, in society, on the road, in the school, in the family. We should behave in the family, we should behave disciplined manner in the family also. දැන් පුතේ ඕගොල්ලෝ පවුලේ අයත් එක්ක ජීවත් වෙද්දි පවුලේ කටයුතු කරද්දි පවුලේ ගනුදෙනු කරද්දි සංවරශීලී වෙන්න ඕනි නේද? In the family, treat every sibling equally and be attentive to them. Siblings, who are the siblings? Do you have siblings?
Yes, teacher.
No.
Yes, madam.
Who are the siblings?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Who are the siblings?
සහෝදරයෝ.
Or your brothers and
සහෝදරි.
sisters. Your brothers and sisters, නේද? Treat every siblings equally in the family. පවුලේදී ඔන්න ඔයාලා සහෝදර සහෝදරිය හැමෝටම එකසේ සලකන්න ඕනි. You have to
Teacher.
treat equally. Yes?
Teacher, මම දැන් ලොකුනේ මේ මොනවද කරන්නේ?
Civic education. Discipline behavior. සංවරශීලී හැසිරීම. Treat every siblings equally. Be obedient, respect and help parents. දෙමව්පියන්ට පවුලේදී මොකද වෙන්න ඕනේ? Be obedient. කීකරු වෙන්න ඕනේ නේ. Respect and help parents. ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගරු කරන්න ඕනි. අවශ්‍ය අවස්ථාවල උදව් කරන්න ඕනි.
Can I tell one?
Yes, okay, you tell.
Don't talk in when elders talking.
Yes, it is also very good. We should not talk when elders talking. Yes. Treat respectfully. Treat respectfully and the elders in the family. Treat respectfully. Treat salakanawa. Respectfully. ගරු කරන ගෞරවයෙන් සලකන්න ඕනේ. Treat respectfully the elders in the family. Speak politely. වැඩිහිටියක කතා කරනකොට අපි කතා කරන්න ඕනේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට එක සංවරශීලීව නේද? Speak politely. Good behavior. We should have good behavior in the family. පවුලේදී අපිට හොඳ සංවර හැසිරීමක් good behavior එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? Good behavior.
Teacher, I can tell another one.
Okay, you tell.
Behave peacefully in the family.
Very good. It also very important. You have to behave peacefully with your elder sister, elder brother, younger sister. You have to behave peacefully. Very good. Others also tell me your idea. Kavisha, very good.
Thanks, teacher.
Nithun, Naura, you also tell me your idea. Himansa. Not interrupting elders conversation without permission. දැන් වැඩිහිටියෝ දෙන්නේ කතා කර කර ඉන්නකොට ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අවසරයක් නැතුව ඒ කතාව මැදට පයින්නේ නැහැ නේද? ඒ කතාව කරද්දී ඔයාලා කතා කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ නේද? Not interrupting elders, interrupting elders
Teacher.
permission.
Temple.
Yes. Be well mannered in using mass media such as radio, television, computer, and internet. මේවා භාවිතා කරද්දී අපි හුඟක් පරිස්සම් වෙන්න ඕනි. These are the disciplined behavior in the family. In the society also, we have to behave peacefully. Firstly, you write down the topic disciplined behavior. Disciplined behavior in the family, in society, on the road, in the school. You write down. Okay, then you write down subtopic in the family. Disciplined behavior in the family. In the family, you write down. In the family. First one you write down. Treat every sibling equally. Treat every sibling equally. සමානව. Equally එක සමානව. Be obedient. Respect and help parents. Be obedient. Be obedient to parents. You write down. Be obedient to parents. Be obedient to parents.
Excuse me, teacher.
Be obedient to parents. Yes.
Teacher, අපි ඉස්සර එකට region places කියලා ගන්න බෑද?
Huh?
region places කියලා
Okay, ද?
අර අපිට teacher ඉස්සර teacher අපි අර ඉස්සර ලිව්වේ discipline behavior කියලා මේ topic එක.
Discipline behavior in the family, in the society, on the road, in the school. Yes. Religious places වලදීත් අපි හසින ආකාරය. Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher අපිට in the family කියන එකට honesty ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Yes. It also correct.
Madam, I can tell the meaning of obedience.
Obedient. What is the meaning obedient?
කීකරු වෙනවා.
කීකරු වෙනවා. Yes.
Be obedient parents talent or be obedient for parents.
Be obedient. Be obedient.
To parents.
Yes, yes. Be obedient to parents. Respecting to parents.
Teacher, what is meaning of sibling?
Siblings, brothers and sisters are called as siblings. Your brothers and sisters are called as siblings. Sibling, can you understand?
Yes.
Do you have siblings?
Yes.
Do you have sibling?
Yes, teacher. Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Respecting parents, be obedient to parents, helping parents, helping to parents. Helping to parents.
Madam, I can tell another one.
Okay, you tell.
Not maintain conflicts with the elders.
Living peacefully in the family. ඒක නේද පුතේ?
Not interrupting elders.
Yes, okay. Speak politely. Speak politely. Politely. Speak politely. What is the meaning politely?
ඉවැරදිව.
Oh, speak politely. Good behavior. Good behavior.
Teacher, what is the meaning of interrupting?
මැදිහත් වෙනවා ඇඟිලි ගහනවා කියන්නේ.
Okay. Teacher, ඒකට බාධා කරනවත්
ඔව්
හරියද?
බාධා කරනවා. වැඩි ඊටියෝ කතා කර ඉන්නකොට අපි ඒකට කතා කරන්නේ නැතුව ඉන්නවා. Not interrupting බාධා කරනවා කියන අදහස නේද? Not interrupting elders conversation සාකච්ඡා conversations
Not disturbing elders conservation.
Yes, it also correct. Not disturbing elders' conversation. Yes.
What's meaning
Conversation. සාකච්ඡා. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ කතා. Conversation. Tell me another one.
honesty,
Honesty, yes.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Okay.
Don't behave unpolitely
Hmm?
when visitor come to the house.
Very good, very good. You have to behave politely when visitors come to your house. නේද? ගෙදරට කවුරු හරි ආවම අපි ටිකක් ඔයාලා ටිකක් සංවරව ඉන්නවා නේද? නැත්තම් අම්මලට තරහ යනවානේ. බෙන්දාගේ ගෙදර ඉන්නවට වඩා ටිකක් සංවරව ඉන්නවා ගෙදරට කවුරු හරි ආපු වෙලාවට. දැන් ඔයාලා කැමති ඒවා දෙකක් ලියන්න. You write another two. You write down.
Madam, I can tell another one.
Okay.
Not using television
කතා කරන්න නැති අය ඒ කතා කරන්න නැති අය මයික් ඕෆ් කරන්න නැත්නම් අනිත් අයට කරදරයි ගෙදර කතා කරන ඒවා ඇහෙනවනේ කතා කරනකොට විතරක් මයික් ඔන් කරන්න දැන් කියන්න පුතේ okay you take
Be well made in using mass media such as the radio, television, computer, and internet.
yes it also correct okay you write down another two then we are going to discuss about the, in society tell in English try to tell in English yeah in society on a සමාජයේදී කොහොමද
Teacher, can I tell another one in the family?
okay you tell
The elders
yes tell again
treat respectfully the elders in the family.
yes treating elders respectfully
Teacher, can I tell another one?
okay
Occur conflicts when elders show weaknesses.
yes yes it also correct because you have to you have to work peacefully with your siblings when parents are out of home නේද ගෙදර නැත්තම් අම්මයි තාත්තයි නැති වෙලාවට parents are not in the home you have to work when they are not in the home you have to work peacefully with your siblings you have to work cooperatively with your brothers and sisters yes now we are going to discuss about in society discipline behavior in society සමාජයේදී ඔන්න දැන් ගෙදර නෙමෙයි ගෙදරින් පිටදී අනිත් අය සමාජයේ අනිත් අය ඉන්න අවස්ථාවල help
Can I tell?
help in the innocent
Respecting every religion. Respect others. Respecting every religion.
yes
Respect others.
okay you write helping
Others. And elderly people.
yes help the innocent
teacher,
yes
teacher, what's mean in mass media?
ජනමාධ්‍යයන් පුතේ.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, what is the meaning of innocent?
Innocent, what is the meaning? Help the innocent people. Ahinsaka, yes.
Teacher, can I tell one?
Okay.
Be for the
Yes, Pute, tell it again.
Can I tell one? Teacher, be tolerate when a chance. Teacher, can I tell another one? Public property care.
Decide on the appropriate behavior and the dress code according to the situation.
Yes. Okay. First one now you write down. Help the innocent people.
Speak
Can I
politely.
tell another one?
Help elderly people in the society.
Give the seat for the elder persons.
Yes.
Respect every religion.
Respect every religion.
Property.
Property with care.
Yes.
Protect public property.
Respect every religion.
Yes.
Dress code according to the situation.
Yes. You write down. Now you write down. You write down.
Teacher.
Helping to elderly people.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you give me today recording, please?
Okay, I will give. Send me a message.
Okay, teacher.
Respecting each
Handle public property with care.
Yes, very good. Handle public property with care.
Teacher, protecting public property.
Yes.
Speak polite
And public property
activities.
property with care. You write down. Care with care. Parisamen.
That picture in the glass window.
Next one. Respect elders. Respect others. අන් අයට ගරු කරන්න ඕනේ අපි සමාජයේ ඉන්නේ නැද්ද නේද? Respect. Respect others.
Respect others' ideas.
Important thing. When we live with others, we have to respect others. අපි පුතේ සමාජ සොසයිටි එකේ ජීවත් වෙද්දී එකිනෙකාට රෙස්පෙක්ට් කරන්න ඕනේ. එකිනෙකාට ගරු කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? අපි අනිත් අයට ගරු කරොත් තමයි අපිට අනිත් අය ගරු කරන්නේ. So respect others. It is very important point. You write down. Respect others. Respect others.
Others' ideas.
Very good. Okay, I will write it.
Others' for
Respect to
other ideas.
others.
Other ideas.
Respect every religion.
Others. Respect to others' idea.
Respect every religion.
Respect to others' idea. You write down.
Madam, respect others and respect to others' ideas is one sentence or another sentence?
I have written it. Okay, I have written it. No need to write again. Respect others. Tell me another one.
Respect all regions.
Respect to all.
Respect every religion and single
Yes.
society.
You write down.
On the appropriate behavior and the dress code according to the situation.
Yes.
All to poor people.
Respect. Now I give another respect. Every religion. It is all.
Every religion in the society.
Yes, it also very important thing. Respect
Teacher,
religion.
Madam.
Okay, you tell another one.
Be
don't
well
have any
mannered at
conflicts
various
to others.
functions, festivals, and weddings and funerals.
Be well mannered. Be well mannered at various functions. විවිධ උත්සව අවස්ථාවල හොඳින් හැසිරෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? national festival, wedding, funeral. අපි ඒවට ගැලපෙන විදිහට ඒවැදී හැසිරෙන්න ඕනේ.
Teacher,
Yes.
don't have
Teacher.
any conflicts to others.
Yes, okay.
Teacher, display good behavior in various type of religious activities.
Yes. Various functions. What are the example for various functions?
Funerals,
Yes.
funerals, weddings, festivals,
National
giving.
festival,
Arms
ceremony,
Alms giving.
giving.
National festival, wedding, funeral, these
Alms giving.
alms giving, yes, these are called as various functions. Be well mannered at various functions. You write down.
Teacher,
Yes.
over a teacher, speak politely, හරිද teacher?
Oh,
In
it
society.
also correct. You write down your one, another two also. You write down.
Teacher, do not behave unfairly.
Yes. Yes, it also correct.
Madam,
Yes.
apologize, Barida.
Yes, it also correct. Neither we are always ready to apologize. If we have fault, we can apologize.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Okay.
Be humble when who show your weaknesses.
Yes, it was a very good idea.
Help the disabled
display good behavior in various types of religious activities.
Yes. Okay, Pute, then we are going to discuss on the road. What are the discipline behavior on the road? On the road.
Obey regulations.
Another topic. On the road. You write.
Follow the traffic.
Yes.
ඉස්සෙල්ලා එකට ටිකක් දාන්නකෝ.
This one.
Okay, Teacher, can I tell one?
Okay. Road. On the road.
Traffic.
What are the discipline? Discipline behavior on the road.
Use road with
Obey
care
rules
of
and
yourself and
regulations
others.
in the road. Be patient. Be patient.
Driving
Follow
politely.
traffic rules.
To others.
Follow
traffic lights.
Okay, first one you write down. ඔන්න ඔයාලා කියපු එකක් අපි ලියමු. You write down first one. Follow traffic rules. Following. Following traffic rules.
Teacher, protecting rights of the passengers.
Yes, it also very
Teacher,
good.
be patient. Be patient.
Yes. Be patient. We should.
Driving patiently.
Yes. Be patient. It is very important. On the road, we always should patient. අපි ඉවසන්න ඕනි පාරේදී නේද? ඔයාලා driver නම්, pedestrian නම් ඒත් ඉවසන්න ඕනි. පාර මාරු වෙද්දී නේද?
Driving without
Be
smoking.
patient. You write
Driving
down.
without smoking.
Yes, you write down this one. Be patient.
Be an example to others.
Oh yes, it also very good. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉස්කෝලේ යන එනකොට
It is through discipline and well-being.
ඔයාලා ඉස්කෝලේ යන එනකොට පාරෙන් අයින් වෙලා දෙන්න නේද එන්නේ. පෙළට එන්නේ නැහැ නේද 4-5 දෙනෙක්. එතකොට ඔයාලා එන හැටි බලලා ඔයාලට පල්ලෙහා පන්ති වලත් අයත් ඒ විදිහට එනවා. එහෙනම් පාර be an example to others. අනිත් අයටත් ආදර්ශයක් වෙන්න රෝඩ් එකේදී හැසිරෙන්න ඕනේ. Be an example.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Example to others. Okay.
Use the road considering it as public property.
Yes. Use the road considering it as public property. Okay, I will write down. You write down. Using the road on a para bhavita.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Please wait. Using the road. Using the road.
Use the road considering it as public property.
Yes. Considering it as public property. Public property. Using the road considering it as public property. පොදු දේපලක් විදිහට සලකලා consider සලකනවා. Using the road
Cross the road at
consider
Right.
it as public.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Okay, tell.
Driving politely.
Yes, driving politely.
I can tell one. Teacher, can I tell one?
Okay.
Safeguard your dignity through discipline and
Very good. You write down. Safeguard your dignity. Safeguard your dignity. What is the meaning dignity? අභිමානය. Very good. පාරේදී අපේ අභිමානය ආරක්ෂා වන විදියට හැසිරෙන්න ඕනි නේද? Safeguard your dignity. Safeguard your dignity.
Teacher,
Yes.
ඇති කරගන්න එපා කියලා teacher ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියන්නේ කොහොමද?
මොකද්ද?
කියන්නේ කොහොමද teacher?
ඔයාලට මොකද්ද කියන්න ඕනි?
ගැටුම් ඇති කරගන්න එපා කියලා teacher.
Not occurring conflicts on the road. පාරදී ගැටුම් ඇති කරගන්න එපා. Not ඇති කර නොගැනීම නේද? Not occurring conflicts on the road.
teacher, can I tell one? You didn't complete
the
safeguard.
Okay. You write down another two. Now you write down your one, another two. Following traffic rules.
Cross the road at suitable place.
Okay, now you write down another two. You write down on your book.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Okay, now we tell. Did you write another two?
Care of yourself and others.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
driving without smoking.
Very good. It also correct.
Teacher, driving with smoking drugs.
Yes. Smoking. Smoking.
Do not put garbage here and
Not putting garbage here and there. Yes. Okay. Then
as a driver.
Phones, you don't use phones driving the car.
very good. It also correct. Huh? Then we are going to
Teacher?
discuss in the school. I think you have lot of idea. Right? You have a lot of idea, but you can write on your book. You write down on your book.
Teacher, can I tell another one?
Okay.
Consider the safety of passengers as a driver.
Yes, very good. Very good idea.
Teacher, when can I
Drive-
tell
Huh?
when changing? Can I tell one?
Okay.
When changing roads, use the